Hello and welcome to ExcelDashboardTemplates.com. This is Steve Equals True. Please visit the ExcelDashboardTemplates.com site to learn more tips, tricks, and techniques and learn everything about Excel. All right, today I had a user request from Tammy. She wanted to know, how can I highlight and bold the horizontal axis of my line chart? Well, unfortunately, there's not direct controls on each one of the category labels that you can do on other labels like in the line. So one technique you can do is you can use some multi-level categories for your horizontal axis and perhaps show a little caret or something else that'll point to check out this one right here. And let me show you how we go about doing that in some easy formulas. So first thing, we've got our original horizontal axis, and you probably have your original data. What I like to do is just create a random function. So I do rand between a lot, and let's do, say, between 500 and 5,000. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy that all the way down. And then I'm going to have a column to say, which one do I want to highlight? Maybe I don't want to highlight them all. Maybe I want to toggle these on a monthly basis. I'm not quite sure. So we're just going to put in a yes or no. I'm going to leave it blank, actually, and just put in the yeses. So let's go ahead and highlight this one right here and perhaps the very first one as well. Now, we're going to create a whole new charting area of data, and what we want to do is create our several layers, and the bottom level, we're going to go ahead and create that as equals. It's going to be an if statement. Hit tab to get our parentheses in there, and so if C2 here equals, if it equals a Y, so we're going to do quotes Y, and if it equals a Y, then we want that, yes, we want to highlight this. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the horizontal axis, A2. And if not, then we're going to do quotes, and we're going to put a space in here. Now, this is very important to have that space so that our multi-category levels are going to be one per row. Otherwise, it groups several together. So we'll just go ahead and hit enter there. And let's highlight and drag this all the way down. And you can see Colorado and Florida are now being highlighted in that bottom level of the horizontal axis. Now, our new horizontal axis top level, looks like I didn't fix my note up here, horizontal x-axis or horizontal axis top level. This is going to be another if statement, so we'll do equals if, hit tab to bring up our parentheses. We're going to say if C2 once again equals quotes Y. So if it equals a yes or a Y, then we're going to do a quote. I'm going to do this caret. It's a shift 6 to add that caret in there. You can add other characters maybe that you find in different code, whatever you like. And if it does not equal a yes, then we simply want to put in A2, which is the horizontal original horizontal axis, and end our if statement. So you can see Colorado is highlighted. If I copy this formula down, Nevada and New York are not highlighted, nor California or Minnesota. And then finally, the data is just going to be straight what our original data was. So we can just do equals B2, hit enter, and I can copy that all the way down. Now I have my new charting range, and I can just highlight this and highlight the whole range, go up to my insert ribbon. We're going to go to a line chart, and we'll do a line with markers chart. How about? And let's go ahead and put that over into the window. I'm going to get rid of the legend. I also, we'll call this a highlight axis chart. And as you can see, Colorado and Florida have those little carets above it. Nevada, New York, California do not. And so they're up on the normal level. So I think that that's a pretty good way to go ahead and highlight it. It's just one way. Also, take a look in the show notes. I show a way that you can highlight the entire region very visually with a highlighted column chart. So I'll put a link to that in the show notes as well. So make sure you check out that video. Also, in a future video, I'll show you how to do this with another line chart and labels and see if we can get that one to work for you as well. Once again, this is Steve Equals True. Please head on over to ExcelDashboardTemplates.com, where you're sure to learn other great techniques like this for charts. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my video channel so that you're sure to get the next post delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you.